Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces Sun Moon Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of September. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, honey, what we have Pisces. The overall energy for the connection for you guys. Let's see what we have, honey. Okay. So for overall energy, we have the Three of Cups. This is a light-hearted kind of approach. This is a like, okay, let's celebrate and let's have fun. Let's not take things too much seriously, or let's explore the world. Okay, maybe individually, and let's figure out maybe we can connect with other people too. So there's a sense of trying to be light-hearted here, trying to keep things very very simple. There's a sense of coming together, coming back together maybe, but this is not the energy of commitment. This is not the energy of, okay, let's get married or let's get committed or something like that. There is a certain energy of, okay, let's enjoy, let's explore, and let's see where things can go. For some of you, there might be some kind of third party energies interfering in the situation. Still, you guys are trying to keep it somehow sane and trying to figure it out together. But this interference of this person is continuously there. Maybe third party can be a person, it can be distance, it can be money, job, career issues, it can be cultural background issues. Whatever the issue here is regarding this third party, if this is the there's no third party kind of energy here, ignore this part. But there's a sense of somebody trying something or someone trying to interfere in the situation, and you guys trying to keep it together and trying to figure it out. Okay, so the mutual energy of the connection is having a light-hearted kind of approach and coming together, coming back together and celebrating this connection, this situation. And the message here is try not to complicate things or overcomplicate things. Try to maybe take help from somebody who can help you guys to figure it out, like a third person or therapist or a counselor or somebody. Or if you guys are trying to like sort it out together, try to come on the same page as friends first and then move towards some serious stuff. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Pisces. We have the Knight of Pentacles. So this person is feeling things are quite stuck, things are very very slow right now in the situation. Like either they're completely stuck or it's moving very very slowly. They feel like there's nothing happening in the situation at all, and they're not able to let it go. Even they are stuck there. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Stuck but somehow grounded. The Four of Cups is falling down. Four of Cups, strength. King of Cups. Yeah, they're very, very disappointed by the stagnancy, by the way things are stuck and not moving forward. And this person is feeling like, okay, they're genuinely feeling a lot of energies, lot of flow of energies towards you, but they feel like they should keep it to themselves, or somehow they feel like they're not able to express it fully or tell you what they are up to or tell you what they are feeling. There are lots of energies of thinking about you, thinking about the situation, then the stagnancies are disappointing them, and they feel like, okay, there are lots of feelings for Pisces from my side, but what's with this stagnancy, what's with this stuck energies? You guys might not be talking to each other. At least you are not talking to them, at least, sorry, one of you is not talking to the other person here, and it's disappointing the other person on a very deeper level because they have feelings, genuine care. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Two of Wands. So you feel like you should move forward with one option, one thing, and keeping one thing in the back seat. You are just planning. You are just planning to move forward with something or someone, keeping something in the background or someone in the background. And you feel like you should just start doing that. Meanwhile, still waiting for the decision of yours to show you the results. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Five of Swords, the Sun card, and the King of Pentacles. You feel like you are stressing the hell out of yourself and to create that kind of clarity and happiness that you always wanted in your love and relationship area. You feel like, okay, you want something stable, something secure, and something safe, but you're not sure whether you will be able to get it or not right now. So you feel trapped by your own thoughts, by your own overthinking, and you have to wait for some kind of clarity or answers or some kind of blockages to be removed so that you can get there, get that stable, safe, and secure kind of energies. And that is stressing you because you have to wait. Okay. So they feel emotionally stuck in the situation. You feel mentally trapped in the situation. Okay. Because both of you have totally different perspective, totally different ways of handling things, and both of you are definitely not on the same page. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Three of Pentacles. Their intention is to put in the effort and energy as a teamwork to make this situation a successful deal. Especially if you guys were working together on your business or some kind of joint accounts is there, money is involved, so definitely this person wants to make this situation work out. It's not mandatory, but for most of you it's a financial thing that's kind of keeping you guys together somehow. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of, okay, there is a third energy here, and they want to clear the air with you regarding this third person, third energy, so that you guys can be at peace and so that you guys can collaborate and work on the situation. I am getting two different scenarios here. Either you have to choose between this person or somebody else, and they are seeking for the clarity that who you are choosing so that they can keep moving forward with or without you, but they genuinely want this connection, this collaboration, this partnership to work out, especially if it is related to your profession and money also. Okay, that's the first scenario. The second scenario here is they have somebody else in their life, they have someone that they are kind of stuck with because of the finances, because of the money, because of the stability, or maybe they're married or committed to them, and they want to clear the air with you regarding that situation so that you guys can connect with each other on a proper level and make things work out with this information, with this clarity. But somehow this person doesn't want to give up on the situation. They still want to make this work out. They still want to put in the effort and energy in the situation. Either you have a choice between this person or somebody else, or they have a choice. But even if they have a choice, they want to make it work out with you also, not leaving the other situation, other person, by the way, clearing the air with you regarding that this is going to be like this, having a proper plan regarding that. God. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? I'm getting a lot of third party readings these days. What's happening? Everybody's cheating on everybody? What the heck is happening? We have the Nine of Cups. You just want to be genuinely happy. You're like, oh, Anjali, all I want is happiness. All I want is my wish to be fulfilled, my cups to be filled, and I'm okay. Okay, what's your wish fulfillment, honey? To seek happiness, to seek stability. that's stressing the hell out of you. Let's clarify this Nine of Cups. We have the Magician, the Queen of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, right? You want to manifest a clear cut path in front of you, so that you can walk on that path in the future, and all you are going to get out of that path is happiness, a lot of happiness, a lot of wish fulfillment, a lot of desired outcomes, not in only one area of your life, every area of your life. So this whole situation is pushing you to reshape your life from the start. You already did that. You already started doing the reshaping thing 3 4 months ago. You are in the manifestation game of, okay, I started taking the action, now I'm just waiting for the results. All you want is a happy go lucky energy where whatever you are manifesting is coming to fruition. That's it, simple, like simple and plain as that. I don't think you are stuck on this particular person or energy for life. You might be connected to them somehow, but you are not stuck on them anymore, they are. So the roles can be reversed also. Please take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story at all. But one of you is stuck on the other person here, even if third person, third energies are there. The other person is just manifesting a brand new chapter, a brand new life that they are working for from past 3 4 months. And they are just moving forward with this desire that someday they are going to get it. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Pisces, till the 21st of September. Queen of Swords, cutthroat energy, clear cut energy, I don't give a damn energy. And I think it's from your side. First, okay, let me clarify this Queen of Swords first. We have the Temperance, the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Yeah, you are very patiently, very patiently waiting for the time when you are going to move forward towards a very stable offer, a very stable, secure and safe kind of offer, brand new beginning in your life, and you are very passionately working for that. And you are going to make it clear to everyone around you, including this person, that I don't care what you are up to, I don't care what you are doing with your life, I know what I have to do with mine, and I'm going to move in that direction only. From this point onwards, it's my life's mission to make things happen the way I want them to. And no one or nothing is going to stop me. I don't give a shit about what you feel, what you are up to, what you're doing. I don't give them. This is your energy talking to other energy, telling them, maybe literally telling them, or if not telling them, showing them that you don't care about what they are up to, what they are doing, where they are messing around, and all that shit. But you are very clear about your path, about your journey, about your goals, and you're moving forward in that direction. You're making things happen, actually, in every area of your life. Very good, Pisces. Kudos. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Wands. Don't be a part of any kind of unnecessary drama. Keep yourself away from the drama of any kind, physical drama, mental drama, or chaos, or whatever. If somebody is trying to snatch your peace away in any way, keep them at arm's length and exactly tell them what you just told me in the outcome, that this is my goal and this is how my life is going to be. If you like it, good. If you don't like it, very good. But you don't have to be a part of any kind of drama whatsoever, otherwise it's going to, you know make this process a little bit delayed. You are just working really fine. I'm so proud of you, Pisces. You are just doing it really beautifully, the way you guys should. And you are setting clear cut boundaries also, that this is me and this is how it should be. If you like it, good. Otherwise, fuck off. I don't care. This is typical me, my energy all the time. But I'm so proud of you, so happy for you. Kudos to you guys. Enjoy. Let me answer one of your questions, Pisces. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question very, very precisely 3 times in your mind. Keep it short, simple, and precise. It should be regarding your love and relationship area only. One question 3 times, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, honey, the answer to your question is get more information. Wherever you are going, whatever you are doing, get more information before proceeding further. Otherwise, it can be difficult to deal with, kind of thing. Yeah, self-explanatory answer. So yeah, this is what I have for you for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.